everyone. Hi Random Studio. Hello Hatkemade. Hello Teddycraft. Come on guys, join in soon. It's going to be a very long live today. We have a lot of products to show to you guys and a lot of new launches. Hi Artnik, Arushi. Hi Resin Street. So guys, come see. I'll just tell you. See, as the live title, it says it all. Molds, crystals, pearl powders, shells. Thank you, Anishka. I'm sure you'll be very excited to see all these stuffs. Hi, Atnivis. Come on, guys. I'll just wait for another 2 minutes because there are a lot of products and it's going to be, it's going to take a lot of time. I don't want you guys to get bored. Hi, Kanika. Hello, Sini sir. Hi, Shiny Atre. Atara Atre. I'm sorry for pronouncing it wrong. Sugar Cafe Charms, you're excited. So guys, even I'm excited. Actually, I know we didn't have anything new as such for a long time. Come on, let's see. Hi Nisha. Okay guys, shall I start? Where's Priya and Dani today? Hi Shubs. Hello. Come on guys, join in soon. I'll start with molds. Okay. So, hi Deepthi. I'll start with molds. That's why I'm waiting. I don't want anyone to miss this because it will be difficult to reshare it because I have my table is full of the products now. So I'll be having a live I'll be talking, then I'll change the camera towards the product. Hi Priyanka. Okay, shall I start with the molds? So guys, can you guess what molds are we going to launch today? Super hoping to get my hands on most of the things now. Anishka, see, today's launch, whatever we are launching today is our own brand products, so you don't have to worry of going out of stock. You can get everything. Yep. Okay, I think I'll mute my phone. Hi Priya, finally you have joined. Paused. Sorry guys, I think there's some network connection issues. Okay, so I'll start. Hi Yogi. Okay guys, so for the molds, please guess. Okay, I'm just going to show you the back of the mold. Network issue is there. Are you guys able to hear me? Check. Heart. I'm just going to twist it. Ma'am, when will the UV resin get stocked up? Sugar Cafe Charms, I'm also waiting. It's in the clearance. Organizer, no, it's not organizer, sir. You can hear me. Okay, Priya. Thanks, Priya. Video you is pausing a lot. Is it? Cube Charms. That is saw because I had just twisted the mold. Square with words, Lokeshwari, pendant mold. Yes, now can hear you. Just let me know if my video is clear to you guys. It's fine now. Someone said seashell. Seashell mirror mold. That's not a manufacturing product, but it's out of stock now. It's fine. Okay guys, I'll start with it. So we had this sunshine constellation mold in round shape at our store. So now we are launching in the square. Check this. It's a square. It has a hole. Okay. Okay, so we were like, why to wait? I know you guys, I had so many requests for this round constellation mold. So I thought, why not let's launch it in a square shape, because round is what everyone is using it. So square for you all. Okay, and it has a 6 mm thickness. You guys can use this as a keychain. You can use this as a pendant. You can use it as a magnet, car hanging, bag charms, however you want. Okay, so it has 12 designs, and I'm not sure if you guys are able to see the engraving. It has an engraving on it with all the sun signs. Okay, so this is the mold number 1. I think now it's clear. You guys will be able to see the words. See Aries, Leo, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, you can see. Okay, thank you. So guys, this is the mold number 1. Okay, the price and all those details will be shared today on website in some time. It will be uploaded today for sure. Okay, but see, you can place order now, but this will the dispatch will start only from next week. Okay, this dispatch will start only from next week, only this mold. Okay, now I'll go with the other mold. So other mold, see, obviously Valentine's Day, we don't have much to launch for Valentine's Day. There's a huge launch done by Rini's and Krishna's crafteria already. So I'm coming up with this simple launch for Valentine's Day. It's a simple heart mold. It's 4.5 by 5 centimeter. You can use it as a magnet, pop socket. You can actually even use it as a pendant if you drill a hole and you just hang it. Okay, this is 6 mm thickness. See the heart shape. See how glossy it is. I can actually see my own reflection in it. So first is heart shape. It's a plain. You guys can insert names inside, words, and whatever you want. Okay, imagination. Okay, it's up to your imagination and creation. So first is heart shape. Then sorry, video got paused again. So this is the round, plain round pop socket. You guys can use it for magnet or however you want. Plain round. It's 4.5 centimeter, 6 mm thickness, round. Then I have plain star. Okay, prices, body and shadow prices will be shared on website there and on Instagram also in by today evening on Instagram, on website in another 1 hour. Okay, this is star, 4.5 centimeter. You can use for your pop sockets. It's a classy PC. These guys you can actually, I have left it plain, so you guys can embed anything inside. You can put wordings, do as per, you can customize it for your clients, customers, friends, whoever they ask as they want. Okay, you can do however you want. It's 6 mm thickness. All these are 6 mm. You can use it for pop socket, magnet, pendant, car hanging, keychain, however you want. Okay, star. Then I'll go to everyone's favorite butterfly. Okay, and I guess this is around 4.5 or 5 centimeter, 6 mm thickness, plain butterfly. It's a plain butterfly. Okay, mold number 4 for pop socket design. You can use it for pop sockets also. Yeah, so butterfly. Now I will go to something little more classy ones. This is a cherry blossom sakura flower. It has an engraving in it. Here See, now you can see there is an engraving in it in center. It has a flower pollens engraved. Video is not able to capture it. See, there is an engraving in it. Okay, cherry blossom sakura flower. It's 4.5 centimeter. You guys can use it however you want. 6 mm thickness. Okay, cherry blossom. Next flower is rose. Even this has an engraving in it. Okay, I think I should on the lightweight so you guys can see it. See, now the engraving part is clear. See, this is the rose. Can you tell us in Tamil? Tints and dreams. What do you want me to tell you in Tamil? I can, sure. Let me know about what. So guys, rose, it has the beautiful engraving inside. Petal engraving. You can use it however you want. Pop socket, pendant, magnet, however. Okay. So rose, 4.5 centimeter, 6 mm thickness. See the engraving. I'll show you the engraving part of the cherry blossom also now. Here. Are you able to see the cherry blossom engraving inside? Pollen engraved. Okay. Love this one. Which one, Sangeeta? The rose or the cherry blossom? So 2 flower designs launched for today. Roja Poo. Yeah, Roja Poo. Okay. So now we go with the yin and yang. There is an engraved also over here. It's again 4.5 centimeter. Tints and dreams, you can use it as pop sockets. You can use it as magnet. You can use it as however you like, keychain, car hanging. When are they coming on website? Anishka, these will be live today on website. So this is yin and yang. You can use it as pop socket, pendant, magnet, however you guys like it, knobs or however you want it. See, you can actually use this as a knob also. It's 6 mm thickness. Okay, so now next, last molds of the day, last 2. Any superhero fans over here? So thank you, Aarti. Any superhero fans over here? Give me a thumbs up if any superhero fans over here. So then I'll show you the next 2 molds. Anishka, sure. I'll upload it today. It will be live today. Okay, I don't see any superhero fans over here. Oh, okay, I got a like. Superman. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah. Superman, as you guessed it. Superman. It has an engraved part. Superman over here is. This is 4.5 centimeter approx. You can use for your pop sockets. You can use for keychains. You can use however, again I'm telling you guys, however you like it. Okay, it's 6 mm thickness. You can actually even embed this in some maybe 1 centimeter molds if you have anything. You can embed this in your coasters also. If you have any customized coaster order, you can embed this piece into 8 mm or 1 centimeter thickness coasters. Okay, Superman. And the next is for all the wonderful women's over here. Wonder Woman. Why should only boys have all the fun, right? So Wonder Woman for us. Any Wonder Woman fans here? I think all the girls, women's are Wonder Woman in their own way. Okay. So Wonder Woman, see the engraved part, the stars, the Wonder Woman symbol. Okay, this is also 4.5. You perfect for your pop sockets. Guys, you can actually customize these for Valentine's Day. Guys can get for their girlfriends or wives. It will be such a lovely gift, right? Wonder Woman. Yep. So I'm done with the molds. I'll just share once again all the molds. Okay, some might have just joined in. So guys, this is the mold number 1 for today. Square sun sign constellation mold. See the engraved part. Now it's so clear, the engraving part. Okay. Then simple basics symbols. Okay. Shapes: heart, star, round, then flowers, rose, cherry blossom, butterfly. I'm not able to hold the words. Yin and yang, Superman. The round ones are hit already. Zodiacs. Yeah, so now I have got the square ones. Wonder Woman. Okay, so total launch of today are 10 molds. 1 second. Do you have the bigger round Crafter by Night? No, we don't have bigger round. You can actually give a customization order. We do take customization orders. So guys, I'm done with the molds. Shall I move to the second part of live today? Any doubts, any queries regarding molds you have, you can just shoot in your doubts now. Then I'll go with the shells part. I have some beautiful shells, okay, to launch today. Yes, Fatima. So guys, you would have seen we already have this unicorn horn shells in bigger size. Now we have got in a smaller size. See the unicorn horn, okay? I call it as unicorn horn. I don't know how do you call it as. So this is a pack of 50 grams for 50 rupees only. What are the charges for customization? Crafters by Night, you can actually DM me, inbox me or WhatsApp me. We can take that conversation over there. So let me get it done by live over here now. Okay, so guys, unicorn horn small shells, smaller size, bigger size already in store available. This smaller size we are launching now. It's 50 grams for 50 rupees. Then I have this, I'm not sure in live if you're able to see, it has a beautiful, what do you say, the shimmer shine to it. Wait, let me check if I have. Are you guys able to see the shine it has? It has a iridescent shine to it, okay? I will actually show to you guys. I'll just turn the camera the other side and I'll show you all these later again once more, okay? So this is one shell. Okay, this is like 50 grams for 50 rupees. Okay, this is 50 grams pack. All these are 50 grams. Okay guys, these are 50 grams pack. 50 grams, 50 rupees. These are very beautiful, you know, in person when you see. I'll show you in the live when I turn the camera the other side. Let me finish with the everything right now. Then I have one more white shell. Even this has a iridescent shine to it. I'll just show you again, okay? Then it's 50 grams for 50 rupees. These are very beautiful and small sizes. You can use for your coasters and your trays. You can use some, you can use even in pendants. Like this is a flat one. You can even use, insert it in your pendants, your ocean theme project. And this is the best piece in the shells. See how shiny it is. This has amazing shine to it, okay? It has a kind of beautiful mermaid shine to it. This is 50 grams. See, 50 grams, 75 rupees, and these are very beautiful. I'll show you afterwards, okay? After my part is done, I'll shift the camera to the other side and I'll show you. So guys, in shells, I've just shown you the 4 shells we have launched today. The 4 shells, okay? Unicorn small horn, the white round shells, this one and the other one, okay? So the 4 shells for today. So we already have, I think, 15 different variety of shells, and now this 4 additional. So almost 20 we will have, I'm sure. I would like to share what do you say, this MOP bigger shells, okay, what we have. Sandhya, show that one. Big one, yeah. See, this is the bigger MOP shell, and I'll just share how glossy and shiny this is. You can use this for your palettes, you know, or for decorative purpose. See the shine. See how beautiful it is. Okay, this is the actually we have bigger than this also. I think we have bigger than this also. Adu mele irukku. See this and see this. This is the bigger than that. We have 2 sizes, guys, and both has beautiful shine. See, these are already on website. I'm not sure if you guys have seen it. Mother of pearl. Okay, so I'm done with the shells, and for all you starfish lovers, we've just got the starfish again, but these are little bigger than what we already had at our store. Earlier we had like 2 centimeter. This is almost, I think, up 3 centimeter. We have 3 centimeter, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4 centimeter. The starfish. It's a real starfish, fully dried. Okay, this. And we have the one more bigger one, this one. So, see the sizes. Ma'am, will the UV resin be in your shop in February? I hope it should be available. Sugar Cafe Charms. Even I'm waiting. So guys, starfish in 2 sizes, 2 different sizes now. This will be uploaded on website. I think today I should, because you will see how many more products I have to show you. So I'll try to launch it, upload on website as soon as possible today. Okay, so starfish, 2 starfish, new sizes, and this doesn't smell. Yeah, that's the beauty about it. There's no smell. It's completely dry. Starfish, I'm done. Guys, now I'll go to the biggest part of our live today. I'm going to show some beautiful crystals. Okay, this is the crystal number 1. It's called as Aura Crystal. Are you able to see the aura finish shine to it? The starfishes are beautiful. Yes, see the Aura Crystal. It's a Aura glass crystal, not real crystals, guys. It's a Aura glass crystal. It's beautiful. It's very, very beautiful. Okay, this is 100 grams and it's only for 150 rupees, guys. 100 grams pack, and it's actually, we have lots this time Ziploc bag, so it's easy for you guys for storing. I was planning for jars, but jars are not easy to store. It takes a lot of space. The pouches are more easy and convenient way to use and store it. Okay, so these are Aura glass crystal, 100 grams, 150 only. Then I'll show you the gold one. This is a gold plated. This is the silver plated crystals. Okay, these are gold and silver plated crystals, and these are 100 grams for 199 rupees. Both 100 grams 199 rupees, gold and silver. Silver is more smaller, it's a tinier than the gold, but it's perfect for all your projects, guys, for pendants, for rings, for coasters, trays, for your wall hanging, anything, your boards. Yeah, so gold and silver plated, these are plated, gold and silver plated, and these are 100 gram 199 rupees. Then next I have, this is called as alloy gold and alloy copper crystals. It's 100 grams again, 100 gram pack, 150 rupees. This is gold, antique gold, okay, this is antique gold, and this is copper. Guys, I'm just showing you right now. Mona Sona kahan hai? Yeah, Sona yahan hai, Vikas Bazaar mein, aa jaiye. So guys, these are it's called as alloy antique gold, alloy copper. You will have us get everything because we cannot resist. Yeah, Anshika, I know. You shouldn't resist. Why do you want to resist yourself? So guys, antique gold and copper. Now let's move to the opaque white. It's opaque white, plain white. You should buy everything. So this is opaque white, and it's very small. You can use it for a lot of stuff, for all the ocean themed. You can use in clogs, trays, posters. It's plain opaque white. Okay, 100 grams again, 150 rupees, opaque white. In opaque only one shade, white. You know, because on white, if you pour any color, your resin, pigmented resin, it comes to that color. Okay, so white. Now this is the most beautiful crystal, okay, glass crystal. It's fairy crystal. It has a shine to it like the fairy glitter, okay, the fairy dust what we have. You I'm not sure if you guys are able to capture that in the video here. Do you see? I love all your products, ma'am. Thank you, Divya. See guys, it has beautiful fairy dust effect in it. It's a fairy crystal. Happy mom. Yes, we have Posca markers. We have in gold, silver, black, and I guess even in white. So guys, this is fairy crystals. I'll show you. Actually, I'll turn the camera and show you. Okay guys, now I'll move to the next part of crystals. These are glitter crystals. This is the copper tone glitter crystals, 100 grams. All these are 100 grams pack. All are ziploc pack, so you know it's easy to open. Oh my god. Sorry. Easy to open, use it, and again seal it. Yeah, so copper color. We have pink, we have black. All these has a glitter shine to it, guys. See the pink, the copper, the black. We have the blue. This is the teal blue, and we have one more blue. It's okay. It's in the cup. I'll show you. Okay. See this blue, this blue. Both are different blues, guys. Okay. Then silver. Check. Silver. Gold. Rani pink. Red. I have some more colors. I'll show you in cups. Okay. Brown. This is brown. Okay. Copper looks gorgeous. Yeah. See, this is actually, you can tell it as it looks like antique gold, but it is actually brown shade. Okay guys, now I will Actually, turn the camera. No, wait. I have another part. Pearl pigments, okay? Pearl powders, what we have launched. It's called Reshma. It's dark or lighter?
Violet, dark.
Dark, no, something
Dark.
So guys, pearl powders. Could you tell me the prices of these, of which? Oh, I'm getting a call. Sorry, call. Prices of crystals, I just told you. See, only the coated ones are 199. Rest everything is 150. 100 grams 150. Ayushi, right? The Ayushi is, yeah. Khazana. Loot lijiye, Shubh's Khazana. So guys, pearl powders, I'm launching more shades. We already have many shades, I know. These are the new shades we are launching. And this also, sorry. See the new shades we are launching. Okay, this is violet. We have something similar to this, but that is purple. This is violet. Many had confusion on our website because, you know, when you order I think when you order violet you get purple, because there's a listing mistake over there on website. We will do the change today. Okay, so this is, you can, yeah, lilac, violet, whatever you can call it as. We have red. It's watermelon red color. It's not bright red, it's watermelon red. Okay, red. We have neon orange. All these are pearl mica, guys. It's pearl powder. It's neon orange. It's cotton candy pink. Yeah, cotton candy pink. This is kind of two-tone. It's pink with violet tone. When you see in person, you can see the difference. It's pink with violet tone. And this is the blue. Imperial blue. Perfect for all you ocean lovers. You sea theme project, for all your sea theme projects. Okay. Preeti from Varnam, she's already, you know, she liked this shade. So this is the shade many were asking for. Imperial blue. Price of pigments, these all are 75 rupees for a jar. All our pearl powders are 75 rupees per jar. Bubblegum. You call it as bubblegum shoes, I call it as cotton candy. Yeah, bubblegum pink, cotton candy pink. Guys, so new shades. And guys, there will be change on our green pigment, green pearl powder. Earlier it used to look lighter shade, so now we have worked on it, and now we have got the one which actually looks perfect like the green. You would have seen already, Renee's, she would have used this color on her molds. How much it weighs? I guess it weighs 15 grams. I think 15 or 20, I'm not sure. I have to ask them. How much does this weight? 15 grams, guys. It's a 15 gram. Okay, so there will be a change in our green. Okay, from next week, when you order green, you will get this one. Right now I think this we have only 3 or 4, 1, 3, 4, but both look same when you mix it with resin green. So now in total we have almost, I think, some 22 shades of pearl powders. I will do a swatch and show to you guys in this live, okay, after I'm done over here. Okay, then I have already shown starfish to you, how much it weighs. Okay, I've told you that already. Okay, so there is one more beautiful shell. This will come per piece actually. It has a nice pearl finish to it. Okay, I don't know where you'll use it. I loved it, so I thought I should launch it. See this. It will be per piece, guys. This is per piece 20 rupees. In person, when you see, it has a light iridescent tone to it. In video you won't be able to see that. I don't think even picture would be able to capture, but it has a mild iridescent tone to it. Okay, this is the I'll keep some nice names to it. I'll share it. Okay, so this is the shell. It will be per piece. Okay, so that's it. I'm done with everything. Now I'll turn the camera and I'll show you the colors. Wait, call Reshma. One minute, guys. Let me clear the space. Sandhya, you can keep all this down. Molds irthirma. Idella keelave. Molds pochitena cover. Starfish. 2 minutes, guys. Where to use, how much it weighs, how much weight I told you. Where to use Tints and Dreams. Which one are you asking about? Where to use the shells in your epoxy resin projects, or however you want. You can use it as a ring. You can just stick that in your ring. Okay, so guys, now I'm just arranging so you guys can see the stones, crystals. All 18. We have 18, guys. Sorry, we have 18 shades in crystals we have launched today. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, one sec, let me. Here, guys. So, okay. See, guys, now I'll start with the crystals. Okay, this is brown. See how beautiful it is. Brown, black, gold. This is pink, green, red. Okay, this is coated one. I'm just showing you first the glitter one. This is Rani pink. This is Imperial blue in glitter crystal. Then we have silver. Silver. This is copper. Someone told the copper is very beautiful. The copper one. So in glitter we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 shades in glitter. Okay. After this, then I'll show you. These are. This is alloy copper and alloy antique gold. This too. Okay, copper and gold. Last one you showed the shell only, the Tints and Dreams you can use however you want, dear. So now this is the one I was talking about. The video wasn't able to capture that time. See, this is fairy crystals. See how beautiful it is. The fairy crystals. Opaque white. This is the Aura crystal, Aura glass crystals, guys. Oh, okay. I missed this blue in crystal. See this blue glitter crystal. So now actually we have 1 minute. We have 11 in glitter, glass glitter crystals. Okay, 11. Then two. These two are alloy crystal. This is the fairy crystal, opaque white, the Aura crystal, and these are the plated ones, gold plated, silver plated. See the gold plated, the silver plated. So these are the crystals. Now I'll show you the shells. See the shine this shells has. It's very beautiful. Hope the color will not fade in resin. Jyoth, for you, no, it won't fade in resin. This is made for resin only. So this is the shell. And Jyoth, it even depends upon the resin what you use. If it is what do you say, it's if it is very, if you're using industrial grade resin which is high viscosity, that might tend to make your crystals fade. Use the one slow curing resin. It doesn't harms your glitters or crystals or your other elements what you add in your resin. See this one. Let me know if you guys are able to see the shine in this. Okay, and this is the best one. I love it. See this. This alone will add so much value to your project, so much shine to it. I'm actually in love with this one. It's very pretty. Guys, I will upload all these, okay, today. I'll surely do that. So you guys can place order everything together. Yeah, see this. They are shiny, yes. Very pretty. And this is the small unicorn horn crystal. It's a small in size. Easy to embed inside your resin projects, coasters. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you, when I turn my camera opposite, so you guys can see it clear. How sparkly these are. See, I'm actually loving it. I will soon have my store video. I will share, I'll share my store video so you guys can see. Thank you, Madhur. So now I'm going to show, I wanted to do a swatch of my pearl pigments. I will share with you. 1 minute. Reshma, one second guys, I'll just hang the camera.
What's the one?
Please clear this pearl powder swatches. Keep the alcohol and the tissue paper. Clear it. So guys, now I am going to do a swatch of my pearl powders. I am just showing you how many pearl powders we have. Okay, so these are the pearl powders what we have at Madras Bazaar. The next new shades will be uploaded today on website. So guys, now I'm going to do a swatch for you. Okay, just so you guys can understand how the powders look. So this is violet. Okay, violet one. Take it from this cover. Okay, so this is violet. See the violet, how beautiful it is. Okay, this is violet shade what I have just shared it. This violet. Okay, next I will share this is the purple or lilac, you can call it as. It's a little lighter than the one what I had just shared. The differences. Okay, okay, now then I will share our lavender. Okay, this is the lavender one. See, close guys, this is violet, purple, lavender. Then I will move to our pink violet, today's launch. Okay, it has a two-tone. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see in the video. Okay, this is the pink violet. Now next I will do our hot pink. Okay, this is like a cotton candy pink. Okay, my hands are full of pearl pigment. One sec, let me. No. Thank you, Jyoti. Avantika, these pearl powders are 75 rupees each, darling. 75 rupees each. Okay. So, next I am doing is our hot pink shade. Oh, sorry. I just spilled it. It looks more like baby pink kind of when you mix it in your resin. Close it. My place is going to be full of pearl mica today. Okay, I'm just spilling it around. So yeah, see this. It's actually hot pink when you see it, but when you mix in your resin or your mold making silicone, it becomes a little lighter and it gives beautiful tone to your resin project. Baby pink kind. So pink, and now Okay, this is the pink what we already have at our store. See this pink and this pink, there is a difference, guys. Able to see the difference? Okay, so I am done with the pink and purple tone. I'll just clean my hand, or do you want me to continue here? Okay, so one sec. Okay, so clean hand again. Now I will start with our this next shades. Okay, red, purple, copper, salmon pink, and our watermelon red. So pink, red and purple tones. Okay, I'll just share now the tones of it. So I'm taking first watermelon red. I'm not sure why my camera is not focusing it. This is our watermelon red. Next I'm going to show you our salmon pink. Should I have done another video for the pearl powder swatch? See this. This is salmon pink. Actually, I'll edit it and share it on our IGTV when I upload it. Okay, salmon pink, red. Then next I'm going to share red and purple. This is red and purple tone. And then this is the plain red. Check this. Super pigmented. Red. Then a copper. See, copper, red, purple, our watermelon red, and our salmon pink. Okay, now I'll go to our next shades. Should I go with blues and greens? Is anyone there with me on live? I don't see any messages or comments. Or you guys are so mesmerized by the shades of the pulp mica that you just want to wait and watch. Okay, so now I will go next to our greens and yellow golds. Okay, pale green. Okay, this is maroon green. Guys, this is yellow, this is gold. There is difference. Maybe in video it looks same. Blues. Loving them. Oh, okay. Thank you, Rama. Just watching them. Okay. So, I will go with our greens, okay? I think I should take something to just... So this is the green which we already have in store, okay? It's kind of very soft green. Next, this is the new green what we are actually going to replace this. Let us know if you know we should replace it or we should have both greens at store. See, this is the new green. It has a light difference to it, so if you guys suggest, I will keep both or I will just make it only one green. Okay, this is the new green now. Now pale green. Guys, I'm just trying on my skin, but these are not what do you say, cosmetic grade. Okay, these are only for epoxy or your mold making. Okay, but if you mix in your mold making, then don't use that mold for your food, okay, or chocolate purposes, because this is not cosmetic grade or food grade pearl mica. Okay, this is only for chemical grade. So our previous green, our new green, and this is our pale green. So next I will show you our maroon green, two-tone one. Okay, it looks almost like brown, yeah, but it has a tone to it. This is maroon green. See, you can see the two-tone in it. Green shine. Making a list of colors to order ideally. Okay, Rama. Best. Yeah, see, I'm making a swatch so you guys can understand how it looks, okay? So then I'll go with our yellow. This is our yellow. See, in video actually all these colors look little lighter than the real, so order accordingly. This is yellow. This is not gold, this is yellow. I'll show you the difference in yellow and gold. This is gold. 1 minute. Sorry. This is gold. Gold looks gold, yellow looks yellow actually in real. See, I think now you can see the difference, the yellow and the gold. Close it. Okay guys, so our green what we already have in store, this is the new green. Let us know which one should we have our old one also, or we should just stick the new one. This is the pale green, this is maroon with green tone, yellow and gold. So this is the another swatch. Okay, so I'm just going to clean this. Give me a second. Take two. See, it's easy to wipe it off. Okay, I'm using alcohol, isopropyl, and it just goes away. Guys, we do have isopropyl at our store. It's not listed on website. If you guys are interested to purchase, you can actually DM me. I will give you the link for it separately. It's not on website. If anyone is interested for isopropyl, you can just DM us. Okay, so now next I'm going to go with the blues. Sorry, this is black, silver. These are the three blues. Okay, this is steel blue and imperial blue, which you can use for your sea theme, ocean theme projects. Sorry, yep. Okay, so now I'll go with first our teal. See, it looks different in when you see in the bottle, but when you mix it with your resin or when you rub it, it looks completely different tone. This is teal. Okay, this is teal. Now I will show you our blue. This is blue. Ouch. See, this is blue. Okay, I think I'll use my hand. This is blue, this is teal. Both are different. Okay, blue. And now, oh god, I'm making my face messy. And this is the new imperial blue. Check this out. Perfect powders for your ocean theme projects. Okay, this is teal, this is blue, this is imperial blue. And now my hand is messy again. Guys, blues, someone was asking for blues. An eyeshadow brush helps, no spills. Yeah, I don't use eyeshadows, or else I would have had eyeshadow brush. I was thinking, I wish I had eyeshadow brush. See, but I can't. I need 20 eyeshadow brushes, Rama. Hand is more easier, no? Finger to use. So blue, see, teal, blue and imperial blue. See, easy to rub away from alcohol. The teal is little pigmented one. See, teal still remains. Okay, so now only left is our classic black, white and silver. White everyone knows. Anyways, the silver is like metallic and this is a black, charcoal black, but when you mix it with resin, it gives beautiful tone to your resin. Okay guys, I'm not making swatch of this because this is very clear. There's nothing different in that. Okay, so you guys have seen all our shades now. Okay, so I'll just change the camera. I'll turn towards me. Please, one sec. So guys, I love your website, but all your molds are always out of stock. Artly official. I can understand what you're trying. Oh my god. One sec. I can understand. See, our molds, it sells very quick, dear. So you have to be very fast when we launch something new. But see, these molds, what we have shown today, it's our own manufacturing. So these will be available always. You can place whenever you want. Hi Amora collection. Did you just come in now? Oh god, my tripod is troubling me. So guys, that's it. Are you guys excited about the stuffs what we've launched today? You guys already planned what to order? I'll just off the light. I don't require light. Are these molds now updated on your website? Sona, no Sona, we will, that's what I was just telling in the beginning of the live. These will be uploaded today. It will be live on our website. Can you please quickly show the molds again? Oh god, you want me to show the molds again? Reshma, bring the molds. Okay, it's wrapped in cover. I'll just share it to you. This is the plain round star. All these are 4.5 centimeters, 6 mm thickness. This is Wonder Woman. I don't know, it's maybe because it's in cover, it's not able to capture. Wait, I have to switch on the light again. Wonder Woman, Superman, okay, this is Superman. It has an engraving in it. It's rose. Just move the camera. Where should I move the camera? You're looking fab. Okay, thank you. This is Cherry Blossom. Okay, Cherry Blossom. Guys, I haven't done any makeup. This is just filter, just to clarify. Okay, this is Cherry Blossom with the pollen engraved on the mold. Oh, okay. This is plain round. 4.5 centimeter, guys, for pop socket, magnets, keychains, heart, plain heart. 4.5 centimeter, 6 mm. Thank you, Artly Official. Butterfly. Guys, I'm not taking out because my hand is like fully pearl pigmented. I don't want to, imprint it on my molds. Butterfly, 4.5 centimeter. And the last one for today's mold is the Sunshine Constellation mold. It has engraved in it. All these has a loop for making it into a pendant or a keychain or a back charm, however you like it. Square, all the square are 1 inch square, guys. I think I forgot, missed telling those. It's 1 inch square. So molds, 10 molds. Then the crystals. There are many crystals we launched today. I think there are 18 crystals we launched today. 4 shells and 6 pearl powders, new shades. So, and the starfishes, 2 starfishes, okay. That's it. Starfish, I'll see if I can show you. Starfish, Inga. The starfish which we already had in our store in the smaller size. But now we have this one as a bigger, as it is like, I think it's 3 centimeter, 3.5 or 4 somewhere. Okay, we have bigger than these also, little, some might be little smaller. And this is the biggest starfish. And guys, these don't smell at all. See, it doesn't smell, okay? Because see, yeah. Price for which one? These 2 starfishes, small and big. This will be uploaded on website. See, this starfish might take time, maybe a day or 2, because I want to upload first molds, then crystals, then pearl powders, and then the starfish and shells also. That's what I was telling. Instead of showing one by one, just move the camera towards the mold. No, still, you know, you won't be able to see the engraved part, okay? And molds all are inside the cover, so light reflection you might not be able to see. Okay guys, starfish done. I'm done for today. Anything, when will the molds be up on website? Artly molds will be up on website today. Okay, it will be up on website today. I'm yet to click pictures, so pictures, and then it will be uploaded on website. Okay, because see, already I think oh, it's more than an hour. I was thinking I'll be live for an hour only. It's already 1 hour 20 minutes. So guys, that will wait for you. We'll wait for you to upload. Amora collection, yes, see, I'll try to upload it today. Sure. Molds and crystals, I'm sure I'll upload it today. Okay, you guys can place your order. These will always be in stock, don't worry at all. That's it. Anything else, guys? Let me see if I missed any comments. Again in zippy. Okay, you want to see in the Ziploc bag. Crystals in Ziploc bag. See guys, this is how it comes. It comes in the Ziploc bag. It's a standy pouch. Okay, we are not giving in jars or bottles, because you know jars and bottles takes a lot of space. Okay, so these are easy. You can actually make them stand also. You can keep them flat, and it's a Ziploc, so you can reuse it. Easy to, you know, handle, remove and take it, and again to store it. Zip it, and that's it, done. It's easy in shipping also, guys. Scenic sir, molds I just showed now. See, I will upload it on website today. Notebook rings, Avantika, no, it's out of stock. We love an independent woman, proud of it. Thank you, Artly. So guys, this is how the crystals will come. Ziploc bags, Ziploc pouches. Even the our new shells will come in Ziploc pouches. Easy to handle. Okay, that's it, done. Beautiful colors, guys, crystals. Okay, that's it. Thank you, guys. I've taken long. Actually, I wasn't expecting live to go that long. Thank you so much. Bye.